Hello students, hope you all are doing good children. So children, we have completed chapter number 12, Bade Kaam Ka Thela, all purpose bag. Let's look into the mind map of this chapter. In this chapter we had three characters, Arpan, Prachi and Dadaji. Dadaji, grandfather of Arpan and Prachi, and we have studied about environment, about plastic bags which is hazardous to the environment, that causes lot of problems in our environment. Then we have studied about in place of plastic bags which bags we can use, like cloth bag or paper bag or jute bag. So students, in this chapter we have read about the harmful effect caused by the plastic bags, that is the polythene bags. So in place of polythene bags we should use cloth bag or paper bag or jute bag. So one day Arpan and Prachi along with their grandfather went to the market to purchase vegetables, to buy vegetables. So when they went there, in one of the shop there was a note hanging on the wall saying no plastic bags allowed and get your own bags. At that point of time, Prachi and Arpan asked their grandfather, why did the shopkeeper hang such a note on the wall? At that time, grandfather explains about the usage of different types of bags in place of polythene bag, because polythene bag creates a lot of problem in our environment. It is causing lot of problem in our environment. Environment pollution is happening. So here we should segregate the garbage as dry waste and wet waste, and how the plastic is recycled to make new things, and vegetable wastes are given to animals to eat or used as fertilizers. This is what grandfather explained Prachi and Arpan and told them that we should never use polythene bags. Children, if you burn a plastic bag, you will get a lot of black colored air coming out, kind of smoke coming out of that burning plastic cover. So it causes lot of issues in the environment. So after listening to the explanation what grandfather gave, both of them, Prachi and Arpan, told that this time in Diwali we will be putting a stall and we will be showing the importance to people in their society. What are the uses of cloth bag, paper bag and jute bag? What are the advantage of using such bags rather than using plastic bags? So children, in this chapter we have learned how to save our environment from harmful effect caused by the polythene bags, and we should never use polythene bags. So children, read this chapter, go through the chapter, understand the chapter, and please don't use polythene bags. And in the class we have made paper bag, right? Similar bags should be used in place of polythene bag. Thank you students. Have a nice day. Take care.